In most backyards, you'll commonly find birds, squirrels, and sometimes other small animals like rabbits or chipmunks. While it's not possible to train these animals to take selfies in the same way you would train a pet, you can try some methods to attract them and capture their photos. 1. Set up a feeding station. Place a bird feeder or squirrel feeder in your backyard and keep it well stocked with food. This will attract birds and squirrels, giving you more opportunities to capture their photos. Make sure to position the feeder in an area where you can easily observe and take photos. 2. Use wildlife camera traps. Set up a wildlife camera in your backyard to capture candid shots of the animals that visit. These cameras are motion activated and can be set to take photos or videos automatically when an animal triggers the sensor. Position the camera in an area where you often see animals or near a bird feeder. 3. Create an enticing environment. Make your backyard more attractive to wildlife by incorporating elements like a bird bath, birdhouses, or natural vegetation. Adding these features can entice animals to frequent your backyard, increasing your chances of capturing their photos. 4. Be patient and observant. Spend time quietly observing the wildlife in your backyard. Learn their patterns and behaviors. Animals can be skittish, so it's important to be patient and avoid sudden movements or loud noises that may scare them away. 5. Use treats strategically. If you want to capture close-up shots of birds or squirrels, you can strategically place treats or food items closer to your desired photography location. This might encourage them to come closer, increasing your chances of capturing a good photo. Remember, when interacting with wildlife, it's essential to prioritize their well-being. Avoid disturbing or stressing them out, and never try to forcefully train or handle wild animals. Observing and appreciating them from a respectful distance is the best way to enjoy their presence and capture beautiful photos.